Hello, and welcome to another English lesson brought to you by Talk Time Tutor ESL. I am Miss T, and I am teaching English to Janet and Kim at my home this evening. Today's lesson will provide a brief introduction to the pronouns I, me, and myself. We will learn the appropriate usage of each pronoun when referring to ourselves. Good morning, Janet and Kim. Today, we're going to explore the usage of pronouns, specifically focusing on I, me, and myself. Let's begin by understanding when to use each one correctly.
Sounds good. I'm ready to dive in.
Me too. I'm excited to learn.
Great! Let's start with I. This pronoun is used when you are the subject of the sentence carrying out the action. For example, I am reading a book.
Okay, so I is like when I'm doing something.
Exactly, Janet. Now on to me. This pronoun is used when you are the object of the sentence when someone or something is acting upon you. For example, she gave the book to me.
Got it. So me is when something is happening to me.
Precisely, Kim. Now, let's discuss myself. Myself is a reflexive pronoun. You use it when the subject and object of the sentence are the same person. Like, I hurt myself while playing soccer.
So myself is when I'm doing something to myself.
Exactly. It's used for emphasis or to show that the action affects you directly.
That makes sense. So how do we know which one to use in a sentence?
Good question, Kim. Generally, you use I when you are doing something, me when something is being done to you, and myself when you are doing something to yourself.
Thank you for clarifying, teacher. I think I understand it better now.
You're welcome, Kim. Now let's practice a bit. I'll give you some sentences and you tell me which pronoun to use.
Okay, Kim, let's practice using pronouns. I'll give you a sentence, and you fill in the correct pronoun.
Sounds like a plan. Hit me with the first one.
All right. Blank am going to the movies.
That's an easy one. I am going to the movies.
Correct. Now try this one. She gave the tickets to blank.
She gave the tickets to me.
Perfect. You're getting the hang of it. How about this one? Blank accidentally spilled coffee on blank.
Let's see. I accidentally spilled coffee on myself.
Nicely done. Now for a slightly trickier one. The teacher asked blank and blank to present the project.
The teacher asked me and Janet to present the project.
Excellent. You got it right. Last one. Blank enjoyed watching the movie.
Easy peasy. I enjoyed watching the movie.
Fantastic job, Kim. You nailed it.
Thanks, Janet. Practicing with you really helped me understand pronouns better.
No problem at all. Practice makes perfect, right? Keep up the good work, and soon enough, using pronouns will be second nature.
Definitely. Thanks for the help, Janet.
All right, we have one more practice exercise. Please read aloud and repeat the following sentences.
I am going to the store to buy some groceries. I am going to the store to buy some groceries.
Can you pass the salt to me, please? Can you pass the salt to me, please?
I hurt myself while playing basketball. I hurt myself while playing basketball.
She asked me to help her with the project. She asked me to help her with the project.
I baked cookies for myself as a treat. I baked cookies for myself as a treat.
Me and my friends are planning a trip to the beach. Me and my friends are planning a trip to the beach.
I need to remind myself to call my mom later. I need to remind myself to call my mom later.
Could you lend me your pen for a moment? Could you lend me your pen for a moment?
I enjoyed myself at the concert last night. I enjoyed myself at the concert last night.
My mom made me a sandwich for lunch. My mom made me a sandwich for lunch.
I need to take care of myself by eating healthier. I need to take care of myself by eating healthier.
She always listens to me when I have a problem. She always listens to me when I have a problem.
I bought myself a new book to read over the weekend. I bought myself a new book to read over the weekend.
Let me introduce myself, I'm Kim. Let me introduce myself, I'm Kim.
My dad gave me a ride to school this morning. My dad gave me a ride to school this morning.
Excellent job, both of you. Remember, mastering pronouns takes practice, so keep practicing in your writing and conversations.
Thank you, teacher. I feel much more confident about using I, me, and myself now.
Thank you for clarifying, teacher. I think I understand it better now.
Absolutely. Keep up the great work and don't hesitate to ask if you have any further questions.
Yeah, this was really helpful. I'll make sure to pay attention to my pronoun usage from now on.